Good morning, my dear students. Let's start the fourth chapter, that is your word processing with Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. A word processor is computer software that deals with text-based information. Okay, word processing involve operation like your creating, editing, and viewing, searching, formatting, saving, and printing text. These are the some features which you will going to get in your word processing. Okay, so let's see what all the features we are getting in Microsoft Word. Okay, features of word processors. First, creating, opening, saving a text document. Second, you will get that editing text using your cut, copy, paste, find and replace. Third is your formatting text by using different font, style, size, effect, color and your alignment. Then next is your inserting images like clip art, word art, picture and table in your documents. Next you're checking for spelling error and grammar errors. Okay, next is your providing a thesaurus. Okay, now these documents when printing will look just like an application on your screen. Okay, printing documents to get a hard copy according to the requirement. Okay, now let's see about the starting MS Word. How to start MS Word we need to know. The following are the steps to start Microsoft or Microsoft Word program. Click on the start button, then Microsoft Office, then go to the Microsoft Word 2010 or 16 is also there. Now the Microsoft Word window opens on your screen showing a new document. Okay, now let's see the components on the Microsoft Word window. What all the components you are having there, let's discuss about it. First is your title bar. Okay, the title bar shows the name of the document on screen. Getting? When a new document is started, Word gives it a generic name like document 1 and this is displayed on the title bar. Okay, when you save the document with a name, the generic name of the title bar is replaced by the given name. Now next is your quick access toolbar, located in the top left of corner of the title bar. Okay, it is located in the top left corner of the title bar. The quick access toolbar contains some of the most frequently used commands like your save, undo, redo. Okay, these are the some commands which is this quick access toolbar is containing with it. Okay, you can add more commands to the quick access toolbar as per your need. Next is your ribbon. The ribbon groups together related commands to make them easier to locate. Okay, this ribbon what it do, it gather that related commands to make them easier to locate. Now it comprises 7 tabs like your home, insert, page, layout, reference, mailing, review and view. So you can see these 7 tabs in your ribbon. First is your home, and insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. Okay, each tab has specific group of related commands with it. Okay, the tabs have command buttons like menus and input boxes arranged in groups. Some groups have dialog launchers and which click display a dialog box related to the group. Now next is your workspace. Workspace is the space where you will create your document. Okay, and another thing is there that is called window control. There are a set of 3 window control buttons placed on the right side of the title bar. What are they? First is your minimize, restore down and your close button. So let's see what is the work of these 3. First we will see about the minimize button. Minimize button reduce the open window to an icon on the taskbar. Okay, that is the work of minimize button. Next is your restore down button. It reduces the size of the open window. Okay, the button window or the button now changes to the maximize button. Now next is your maximize button. Maximize button restore the window to its original size. Now last is your close button. This button will closes the open window. This is the work of your different component which you are getting in your Microsoft Word. Now next is there, that is called your status bar. Status bar display documents information such as the current pages number, total number of pages, then word count, languages, proofing, error notification, etc. These are the work of your status bar. Now next is your view button. On the right side of the status bar are the view buttons. The right side of the status bar you will get your view buttons. View buttons allows you to use 5 different documents views. First is your print layout, second is your full screen reading, third is your web layout, fourth is your outline view, and fifth is your draft view. Okay, this view button will give you 5 options to see your document, okay, in different types. First is your print layout, second is your full screen reading, third is your web layout, fourth is your outline view, and fifth is your draft view. Now next tool is your zoom tool. This zoom tool slider let you zoom out or zoom into the current document. Okay, the zoom arrange in front in from 10 to 500%. Okay, now next is your vertical and horizontal scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar let you move up and down the document, and the horizontal scroll bar let you move across the document from left to right. This is the work of your vertical and horizontal scroll bar. Next is your text area. This is the area where you type the text of the document. Okay, this is the area where you can type the text of your document. You will see a blinking vertical line or the top left corner. This is your cursor. Now next is your vertical and horizontal ruler. Horizontal and vertical rulers help you align text, graphics, table, and other elements in your document. Now let's see about creating a new document. To create a new Word document, click the File tab, then the Backstage View option will open. Now select New and Blank Document. Next click the Create. So the shortcut is already given in a book, so you can go for it. Now let's see how to save the document. To save the document for the first time, click on File tab and select Save. In the Save As window, select a location to save your file. Next, in the file name box, type a name for your document. Your file will be saved with a .docx extension. Okay, for example, if you have named your file assignment, the file name will be assigned as assignment.docx. Okay, for that the shortcut key is to save a file, go for the Ctrl+S. Now using Save As, how to use it? The Save As option in the File tab can be used to save an existing file with a new name or save a file in a different location such as different drive, folder, or pen drive. Okay, how you can use the Save As? If you want to save an existing file in your computer, so you can use it Save As to save the same file in same place or in different place, okay, different drive or folder or pen drive. Now opening existing file, how to save it? First you need to go for the open a existing file. To open an existing file, click on the File tab and select Open. In the Open window, locate the file you have previously created and click that Open. Afterwards, what you need to do? Simply you can also locate a recent opened file by clicking the File tab and selecting Recent. Okay, now let's see how to close a document. To close an open document, click the File tab and select Close, or click the Close window control button on the right side of the title bar, so that your document will be closed. Now existing Microsoft Word, how to exist? Simply to exit a Microsoft Word program, click the File tab and select Exist. So simply you will exist from there. Now editing a Word document, how to edit a Word document? Editing a Word document means making some correction in the text or modifying the content. So how to do it? First, what you need to do? Selecting the text which you want to modify. So what are the steps? To select a word, double click on it, then select a paragraph you want to select, then triple click anywhere of the paragraph. Then what you have to do? To select the entire document, press Ctrl A on the keyboard. So all that will be selected. Okay, now if you want to insert something, what you need to do? simply you have to sometimes you need to insert a word in between a sentence or insert a letter in a word. To do that, what you have to do, you have to select that one and then you have to click on there, then you can insert it anything. Now next is your deleting text. If you want to delete something, you have to do something. What is that? To delete a block or text, select the text or phrase and press the delete key. Simple. Now if you want to copy something, what you need to do, select the text to be copied, then go to the home tab, then clipboard will be there, right click on it, so you will get the copy option on the menu, then you can copy and wherever you want you can paste, or you have the shortcut key for that, Ctrl C for the copy, and for paste you have Ctrl V. Now let's talk about moving a document. How to move a document or text. Select the text to be moved, then click the cut button from the clipboard group on the home tab, then selected the will disappear from the location which you selected, that will be disappear when you will cut it, and wherever you want to paste it, simply you need to go and click there, then you have to paste it, or else for cutting you have the shortcut key, that is Ctrl X. Whichever text you want or paragraph you want, you can cut that one, select that one first, then Ctrl X, then wherever you want to locate or paste it, just go and click there, then Ctrl V, so that you can paste it. Now finding and replace. If you want to something find and replace, you need to do something. What is that? While modifying a document, we often realize that we need to locate the occurrence of a word or phrase in a document. To find tool is very useful to do this. Whenever we need that some word need to be corrected on the document, we need one option that is called find, so that it will very useful tool for us. Easily we can find that word and we can replace it. Now next is your, what is that? Replacing the text. As I said, when you find out one text, you can replace. The option is already there in your toolbox, you can use it. Okay, now next is your undo and redo. What is the work of undo and redo? Undo command is used to undo the last operation performed on a document. That is the work of undo. And what is the work of redo command? It is used to repeat the last operation performed on the document. These buttons are available on the quick access toolbar. Okay, now formatting a Word document. Formatting means making the document look attractive, presentable, and being able to emphasize the important part of the content. It helps to enhance and appears on your document to make it more efficient and easily readable. We can apply different types of formatting to the text by using the tools in font group of the home tab. Okay, so the font group, what you will get, font refers to the style or script of writing characters. By default, Word 2007 use Calibri font, okay, to change the font. So click the font button arrow in the font group, then you have to select the letters, whatever style you want you can select it, then you can change as well the size also of the font. So for change the size, what you need to do, click the font size arrow in the font group, then you can change the size. Okay, this is about the font. Now let's see about the formatting text using font dialog box. Okay, we can make use of the font dialog box to format the text in the document. To view the font dialog box, what we need to do, select the text and click the launcher button in the lower right corner of the font group in the home tab. Next is the font dialog box will appear. Use the various tools to format the text. This is about the formatting the text using your font dialog box. So here we will going to conclude today's class. In next class we will going to see about the paragraph formatting. Okay, so till then just go through it, and if you are having any doubt you can ask me. Okay.